Hello and welcome to this energizing yoga flow. We're going to start in your seated position. As when you're ready, having the hands lightly on the thighs, we'll take a gentle circle spiral. And letting the shoulders come over the sit bones will lengthen, sweeping the arms up. Big inhale. And exhaling as we cactus. Inhale, rising. Exhale, cactus. We'll take both arms up, right hand coming onto that thigh, left arm on top, we'll tuck and round, taking a side cat. Beginning to bring the heart forward, half cactus with that left arm peeling back. Gaze can follow. We'll take that left arm up towards the sky and then back onto that right hand, tucking and rounding. Beginning to peel back that left arm. Arm rising. We'll begin to take that left hand onto the right thigh, right hand coming behind. Inhale, exhale, twist. As we release the twist, taking that right hand across, left hand coming on top, we'll begin to take a bit of a side cat. Taking the heart forward, beginning to peel that right arm, half cactus. Right arm rising, right hand coming on top of that left, we'll tuck and round. And peeling that right arm. Right hand rising, tucking and rounding. Heart coming forward, right hand staying on the thigh, left hand coming behind. We'll take a big twist. Casually taking that left hand across, tucking and rounding. Shoulders coming over the sit bones will unfurl cactus, arms rising. Gently letting the hands float up towards the sky, and eventually we'll begin to come into a tabletop position of all fours, hands and knees. As we begin to come onto the hands and the knees, taking a shift and drift. Right leg going behind you, left arm. A bit of a prowling tiger, so beginning to fold down, right forearm coming down. We'll begin to come back onto the hands, right knee taking that left leg behind you, right hand in front. Again, maybe we come onto that left forearm. Coming onto the hands and the knees, taking a shift and drift. Casually taking the hands slightly further forward, we'll begin to rock back and forth, so taking a bit of a hovering or hanging cobra, pressing back to a hanging child so the sit bones aren't quite making it, fingerprints staying in contact with the earth. We'll move between the two ends, beginning to bring the weight into the hands, hanging cobra, pressing to our hovering childs. We'll take that one more time, taking the weight forward and back. Eventually beginning to bring the weight into the hands, and then we'll begin to sway side to side, gently beginning to release the belly and the pelvis down, untucking the toes, lengthening the legs. Begin to take the hands underneath the shoulders. We're going to take a baby cobra, beginning to press the earth away. And we can stay here, elbows in. Maybe you go a little bit deeper. Gently beginning to release the forehead down. We'll take the arms out. We're going to take a Spider Cobra, tenting up the fingertips, pressing into the fingers as we lift. Taking a gentle dance side to side. And then we'll release. And pressing the earth away, lifting. And melting down. Hands coming back underneath our shoulders, tucking the toes. We'll press up onto the knees. And then downward dog, taking the sit bones up. From our downward dog, we'll begin to come up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight into the hands, plank. Rolling over towards that left side as we take our right arm up. And back through center. Rolling the weight onto that right side as we lift the left hand. And coming back through our center, downward dog. Gently releasing the knees to our table. Taking the hands slightly further forward. We're going to come into that hanging cobra. Pelvis. And then gently softening the elbows, releasing the front of the body, untucking the toes. We'll take our baby cobra. And release. Arms going out. Spider Cobra, tenting up the fingertips. Pressing the earth away. We'll gently begin to release. One more time. Pressing. Releasing the head. Hands coming underneath our shoulders, tucking our toes, pressing up onto the knees. And then our downward dog, taking the sit bones up. From our downward dog, we'll begin to ripple onto the balls of the feet and then the hands, rolling over towards that left. Coming back through your center, rolling over towards the right. Back through center, downward dog. Gently releasing the knees, untucking the toes. We'll come sitting on the heels. Sweeping the arms up. Taking a cactus. Taking the arms up, and then we'll gently take one more cactus. Hands rising. Casually taking the hands down and towards the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And may you have a very blessed day.